Hi everyone, I'm Margot McKinnon, founder of Body Harmonics, and today I am talking to all of you out there who text and type and drive and text and type and drive. Okay, so this is all about repetitive strain. We're going to work with the hand and wrist primarily today, so it's not the whole picture, but it's an important piece. Okay, you might find the muscles get tired. Take a break if it's too much. But remember, it's really important to keep the fluids moving in this part of the body. So remember, if you like what you see or you find it useful, please like us and subscribe. Okay, so let's get started here. You're simply going to wiggle your fingers. Just wiggle, 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 wiggle. And I'm sitting today, which may also be part of the problem. So if you can stand up to do this, do that. So wiggle, woggle, wiggle, woggle. You might start to feel muscles up in here working, a little bit on the underside. Okay, and a little shake. Okay, now bring your hands up, little fists, and I want you to really grip tight. Okay, and then you're gonna unravel your hands, reach them long, and then press them back. And then a tight, tight fist, and reach them long and back. Tight, tight fist, long and back. Tight fist, long and back. Okay, now into tight fists again and a little pulsing action. Press, press. And I'd like you to really take a look at your knuckles, these knuckles, and really almost push them. You can't really see this, but I'm trying to push my knuckles through the skin. I'm pushing them back and through the skin. All right, and you'll probably feel this quite strongly up around the elbow, through all the muscles of the forearm. Okay, and give it a little rest. Okay, hands come up again. And you're simply going to open really, really wide and then close together. Open wide, close together. Open wide, close together, and open wide. And you'll notice here, I'm not bending my fingers back, right? It's a long reach. I'm thinking almost like I'm Spiderman here, almost ready to stick myself to a building. Okay, and closing. Okay, give it a little break. Okay, don't be surprised if you're feeling kind of tired up through the forearms. You come up again. I'm going to bring the arms out in front, and I'm going to bend at the base of the fingers, and I'm going to pull my fingers into my palms, and then I'm going to drag them and reach them back and open. Together, bending down to the palm. Then I'm going to pull them, drag them, open them back, and then together. Okay, again, they bend in, down to the palms, dragging, 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 open, and back. Okay, and then just a little touch, 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 thumb to each finger. All right, and then you're going to start to make it a little bit quicker. And I'm going to mix this up, I'm sure of it. It's good for your brain as well as your body here. And you're going to do this until it starts to feel quite tired in the forearms. Okay, so it might feel tired in your hands, but it's much more likely it'll be up in the forearms where a whole bunch of these muscles originate. Okay, I'm getting mixed up here, so I'm going to do just a couple more. Okay, and down on my legs again. So just a little wiggle to finish off. Little wiggle. Think of spider legs here or bug legs wiggling around. Go in a little bit and out a little bit and in a little bit and out a little bit. And down. Okay, so expect some sensation up in here. Give a little bit of a shake. And you are good to go. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.